Hello, today's student question is, when do we use few versus a few? What's the difference? I'm happy to explain it in today's Ask the Teacher video. But before I begin, remember, you can download all the past Ask the Teacher lessons by clicking on the link under this video. Few has a negative connotation, but a few has a positive connotation. Let's see some examples. I'm not very popular. I have few friends. That's implying that my small number of friends is a bad thing. I'm thrilled that I've already made a few friends at school. In that sentence, I still have a small number of friends, but it's a positive connotation. It's great that I have some friends instead of zero friends. Got it? Few, it's small, it's negative, it should be more. A few, it's small, but it's positive, it's more than zero. Also, how many is a few? It could be around 3 to 5 items, usually less than 10. It kind of depends on what we're talking about. If I say I read a few books this month, that's probably around 3 books since they take a while to read. But if I say I ate a few potato chips, that might be around 10 potato chips, which is a small amount compared to eating 20 or 30 chips or more. Remember, we use few and a few only with countable nouns. With uncountable nouns, we use little and a little in a similar way. If I say, I've been so busy, I had little time to prepare for the talk. Little time has a negative connotation, meaning not much or not enough. But if I say, I'm glad I had a little time to prepare for the talk before going on stage. A little time has a positive connotation. I'm glad I had some time, more than zero. Hope that helps. Again, click the link under this video to download this lesson and 30 more answers to student questions.